Hey guys, welcome back to the 2023 Chicago Auto Show.
We are going to take you through all the ride-alongs that are here at the McCormick Center. So I hope you guys enjoy it.
It's going to be fun.
I'm Orlando. Nice to meet you guys.
Hi, Orlando. I'm Jim, and this is Felicia.
Nice to meet you both. This is our 2500 Power Wagon. So the Power Wagon is more of an off-road tremolo, so that's why it has a higher ground clearance. So over 13 inches of clearance.
Wow.
Steel skid plates underneath. Gas-powered shocks. Those staples.
All right, Zellstein's is that what you said?
Yeah.
All right.
All
right.
You know, here about a 35-degree angle, and does have the 360 camera, so I can see what's around me as well.
Oh my gosh.
Awesome.
33-inch mud-terrain tires with 17-inch V8 rims.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. Oh wow. We are.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Tight up
You
here.
get this?
Wow.
21-degree angle. That's crazy.
Look about 25 depending on where you stop.
Yeah.
Hey, we're gonna test out its stability at about another 20 to 25 degree.
Wow.
So
Oh my word.
Look out my window.
So,
odd wheelbase, most center gravity.
oh my gosh.
This is crazy. Wow. Oh boy.
Oh my gosh. I'm trying to keep this steady.
6.4 liter V8 chemical. So you have 410 horsepower, 420 Newton torque.
All right, 410 horsepower.
So we're gonna hook up our tow straps. So we're gonna stand this wall up. It's about 7,000 pounds.
7,000. Wow. What is the total towing capacity?
So tow capacity is 10,500 pounds.
Okay.
Our wagon is it's a lot heavier than the
Yeah.
trim bubbles. It's
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Man.
tow capacity is high.
What a beast.
Head.
It's handling it really well. Like, it
Yeah.
feels great.
This is
Doesn't
awesome.
feel like a struggle. Of course, I'm not the one driving it, but from back here.
It does handle it pretty well.
So is there a special setting that it's in to perform this?
Just in four-wheel high.
4 high. Okay.
If it was in four-wheel low, it actually would run up a lot easier.
Right.
But if low, you can actually feel some of the power.
I like where the shift knob is located. That's nice. Just right there beside your leg.
It's sometimes I forget what I'm reaching.
All right.
College shift or what? Yeah. I like it. I don't mind it. It's got front end rear lockers. It has a disconnect in front of its way wireless, so I forgot.
Oh, it does have a disconnect. Okay. Cool.
Any questions?
No, that was great. Thanks.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Hey guys.